Hello, ADHDers of the world. This is Kuya Manzano from the Philippines. I'm ADHD and I'm working on it. I hope you're too. And this channel is about being a superhero. Yeah? We're not born superheroes, but we can become superheroes. Like Cyclops. You know Cyclops? That superhero, X-Men or something? That would be all over the place, and destroy the whole world. But if he has his goggles and he can focus, he goes zoop, and he can laser whatever and destroy it. Yeah? So that's us. We're all over the place, we're very fast, we're like a Ferrari, and we can crash the walls. But if we become professional drivers for Formula 1, for sports car, we'll get anywhere we want to go very fast. Get my point? Yeah? Not everyone can become a professional driver. Not everyone becomes a great driver or anything. Hey, but we can try, right? Because if we become a professional driver, we can become winners in life. Like many athletes and businessmen out there who are ADHD and they got to the top of the world. So we can too. We have the tools for it. We just need to put the goggles and focus. That's what this channel is gonna be. Alright? See you on the other side.